how to fix Discord icons not loading. So if you want to fix your Discord icons not loading, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just go with Windows and R key, and you will have this run. Or you can also just simply go with search, and you can search for run and click on this run. And after that, here you need to enter a location, C:/Windows/system32/drivers/etc, and hit the enter or go with OK, and it will take you to that location. And here on the first file, you need to just right click on it, and you need to go with rename option. Once you go with rename, just keep it as it is. Type the same thing that was there before. Just add dot hide. And after that, hit the enter. And once you rename that, your Discord server will work fine, or your icons will work fine. And just go with voice channel, and you need to just enter into a voice channel. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.